Hi there. Today's video is all about setting up a menu for multi-location restaurants. Restaurants that are in multi-location mode can share the same menu or have different menus from each individual location. Let's see how restaurant owners can set this up. They should begin by accessing their restaurant's multi-location dashboard, particularly the setup icon, which is located in the upper left of the screen. They should then click on Menus, followed by Management. If they've already set one up, they should see the details of their menu, as well as the number of locations that share that particular menu. By default, all restaurant locations will share the menu of their headquarter account. They now need to click on the Edit icon to make changes to the menu's name, description, and currency. Once they're happy with their changes, they should click on Update. Next up, they need to click on the Menu Editor button to access the menu setup page. Here, they can make changes to the existing menu or set up a new one if they haven't done so already. For instructions on how to set up a menu from scratch, they should click on the suggested video that just popped up on the screen. To insert a new menu, they need to click on the Add New Menu button, and then on Insert New Menu. They will now be required to insert a menu name and description and select the currency. Creating a new menu works best when restaurant owners want to offer seasonal dishes to their food customers, when they want to test out new menu items for a short while, or when they want to roll out special menus like the Italian Menu Week. If their locations have the same menu items but different prices, they can simply duplicate the menu by clicking on the Add New Menu button, then select Duplicate Existing Menu. They will then be prompted to select the menu they want to copy. After they've selected it, they need to click on the Make a Copy button. Assigning a location can be done by simply dragging the preferred location onto a menu. That's it. Until next time.